Friends, let us discuss division of numbers with 5, 25, 125 and 250. We are discussing simple tricks only. See, already I have written the numbers on the board. These numbers were given by you at the time of studying simple tricks for multiplications. So, we have taken the same numbers. Let us take these numbers only for division. So, 1 division with 5. So, friends, it is very easy. See, 768 divided by 5 can be written as 768 by 10 into 2. If you multiply this number with 2 and if you put simply one decimal place from the extreme right digit, then it will be the answer. So multiply this 768 with 2, that is 6, 3, 14. So 1436 is the answer with multiplying with 2. Now simply put a dot here. That will be the answer, which is 768 by 5 is the answer is 143.6 is answer for 768 by 5. Second, let us take up 1236. Simply multiply it and put a dot after one digit. So this is 2, 7, 4, 2. Simply put a dot here. So this will be the answer. Three. 74368 divided by 5. So it can be written as 74368 into 2 by 10. That is, this is 6, 3, 2, 6 are 12 and 13. So 2 3s are 6 and 1 7, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. So now put a dot after one digit from the extreme right. So this will be the answer. So 74368, if it is divided by 5, we will get the answer here. So easily we are getting it without carrying out the actual division. Simply we are getting very quickly. So let us take the fourth example. 921637 divided by 5. This can be written as 921637 into 2 by 10. It is, so multiplying it, 2 7s are 14 and 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 2 16s are 32, 32, 2 2s are 2 2 plus 4, 2 9s are 18. So simply put a dot here. So this will be the answer. See friends, how quickly we are getting it the division. Friends, now let us take up division with 25. The same numbers we will take and divide it with 25. So first example is 768 by 25. This can be written as 768 by 100 into 4. Now multiplying this with 4, 4 8s are 32, 2, 3, 4 6 are 24 plus 3 7, 27, 2, 4 7s are 28, 30. Now put a dot after two decimal places from the extreme right. So that will be the answer. Second, 1236 divided by 25. This can be written as 1236 by 100 into 4. Now multiplying with 4, 4 6 are 24, 2, 4 3s are 12 plus 4 14, 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 4. Now put a dot here. So this will be the answer. Third example, 74368 by 25. It can be written as 74368 by 100 into 4. Now multiplying this with 4, 4 8s are 32, 3, 4 6 are 24 plus 3 is 27, 2, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14, 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 4 7s are 28 plus 1 29. So put a dot after. This will be the answer. Now coming to fourth example, 921637 divided by 25 can be written as 921637 divided by 100 into 4. 4 sevens are 28, 2, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14, 1, 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25, 2, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6, 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36. So put a dot here. So this is the answer. See friends, how quickly we are getting it. Without carrying the actual division, we are getting the answer very quickly. Friends, now let us take up division with 125. We will take the same numbers only. So first 768 by 125. This can be written as 768 by 1000 into 8. So let us multiply this with 8. 8 8 are 64, 6, 8 6 are 48 plus 6, 54, 5, 8 8 are 64, 8 6 are 48 plus 6, 54, 8 7 are 56 plus 5, 61. So now put a dot after 3 decimal places from the extreme right. So now this is the answer. Now take up second example. 1236 divided by 125. It can be written as 1236 by 1000 into 8. So multiplying 8 6 are 48, 8, 8 3s are 24 plus 4 8 28, 2, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18, 1, 8 1s are 1 plus. Now put a dot here. Now third example, 74368 by 125 can be written as 74368 by 1000 into 8. So 8 8s are 64, 6, 8 6 are 48 plus 6 54, 5, 8 3s are 24 plus 5 29, 2, 8 4s are 32 plus 2 34, 3, 8 7s are 56 plus 3 59. Now put a dot here. This is the answer. Now take up fourth example. 921637 by 125 is 921637 divided by 1000 into 8. So 8 sevens are 56, 5, 8 3s are 24 plus 5 29, 2, 8 6 are 48 plus 2 50, 5, 8 1s are 8 plus 5 13, 1, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17, 1, 8 9s are 72 plus 1 73. So put a dot here. This is 7373096. Friends, now let us discuss division with 250. So first example. (768) divided by 250. So 768 divided by 1000 into 4. So multiplying it, 4 8s are 32, 3, 4 6 are 24 plus 327 to 4 sevens are 28 plus 232. Now put a decimal place after 3 digits from the extreme right. This will be the answer. Now coming to second, 1236 divided by 250. This can be written as 21236 by 1000 into 4. So 4 6 are 24, 2, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14, 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 4 1s are 4. So put a decimal place after 3 digits. Coming to third example, 74368 by 250. 74368 by 1000 into 4. 4 8s are 32, 3, 4 6 are 24 plus 3 27, 2, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14, 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 7, 17, 4 7s are 28 plus 1 29. So put a dot after 3 decimal places. That is the answer. Fourth, 921637 divided by 250. So 921637 into 4 by 1000. So multiplying it, 4 sevens are 28, 2, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14, 1, 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25, 2, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6, 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36. So put a dot here. So this is 3686 point. Friends, see how quickly we are getting with the division. Thank you. Friends, if you like this video, please kindly subscribe and also like it. Press like also. Thank you.